Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove background without green screen on CapCut. So if you guys want to remove the background of a video but it's not on green screen, here is how to do that. So first, after you import the clips to CapCut, you just need to click on the video and then find cutout in the options. Click on that and then click on remove background. So just click on that feature and wait for the magic to happen until the background is fully removed. You can just wait. Okay, so after the background has been removed, it will go like this. It will go with a black background like this, and if you want you can add another background in the overlay by using the overlay feature. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.